Hello and welcome to DaveTech. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the NV application, NV Player application into your Android TV, TV box, Google TV or any device on the Android operating system. We'll use the code for this method. I'll be using the download application. I want you to open the download application. If you do not have this application, head over to the link in the description, watch the tutorial, and you'll learn exactly how to get it into your Android TV. Click on it to enter, go home, and now type in the code for the NV player. The code is 4072304. When you have this code, double check it, triple check it if necessary, and when you're sure, click on the go button. This will redirect and you'll begin to move to the site on which you will download this application. So be patient and wait for 5 seconds. We're going 3, 2, 1, and boom, you get redirected. The mediafire.com website is here and your download should begin automatically. Perfectly, you see this dialog box and it shows you the progress bar. When the progress bar is complete, install the application you have downloaded and you're going to have it in your Android TV. You could delete the package file and that will save space in your Android TV. That's all for this one. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.